Number 1. What is Cappuccino MCT? Cappuccino MCT gives us the solution to all your weight gaining problems. Cappuccino MCT is a coffee that burns fat. Yes, you heard it right. You can now shed all those pounds with the help of the most delicious coffee blend ever. This slimming coffee is the perfect combination of healthy and tasty, which can help you gain that ideal body you have always dreamt of. The special coffee formula helps burn fat like magic and promotes a healthy and fit body. It accelerates the burning of calories from the body, and it also prevents the storage of fat on muscles so that your body can gain and present stronger, leaner muscles. This coffee is not only easy to prepare and consume, but it is also 100% natural. The organic ingredients used in making this coffee makes it the perfect weight loss agent. To ensure fat loss, the coffee is made with the perfect combination of MCT oil, which is clinically tested by nutritionists for healthy weight loss. 1. Here is the list of some of the plus points that help satisfy the users and gain the fame that it has today. Cappuccino MCT is known for helping consumers improve their body's calorie burning abilities. It also enhances fat loss in your body and prevents it from gathering back on the muscles again. Unlike other coffee that makes you feel extra energetic or sometimes hungry, this weight loss coffee helps you feel satisfied and full after meals. Cappuccino MCT also shapes your body healthily and safely, so you can get that summer body you have always wanted. The best part about this coffee is that it is super easy to prepare. Just a few easy steps and there you have it. These beneficial points are what attract the customers and keep them satisfied in the entire weight loss journey. But you must be thinking, what does this coffee do that it efficiently makes all the fat go away and shape your body just the way you want it? Well, worry no more, because this guide will answer all of your questions without a hassle. Just keep on reading to clear all the queries. Number 2. How does Cappuccino MCT work? The Cappuccino MCT is made out of the best grade, clinically tested ingredients that promote weight loss and fat burning. This slimming coffee is the surprising blend of MCT oil and natural coffee that helps the solution become powerful and effective, making it the bulletproof coffee. It is called bulletproof coffee for having satisfying and strong results. As mentioned before, the coffee consists of MCT oil, which contains saturated fatty acids, specifically in the form of triglycerides of the medium chain. 2. It offers a fair amount of exclusive health benefits for your overweight body along with the rapid and effective weight loss process. The caffeine itself can produce brilliant benefits for your body, to help you on the journey of weight loss. That was the simple explanation of how Cappuccino MCT works, but now we will talk about how it works, in depth, and with detail. Cappuccino MCT is basically an espresso that has amazing thinning properties. The espresso is called the impenetrable espresso, a beverage that has included fat, which allows you to become more fit, control excessive hunger, and improve your psychological capabilities. The ingredients present in the coffee fasten the weight loss process and make the body slimming process even easier. Number 3. What are the benefits of using Cappuccino MCT? Many dietitians, doctors, And testimonials have tested and finally stated that Cappuccino MCT is one of the most effective and healthy weight loss agents that can help one get their dream body without the side effects, extra heavy workouts, and strict diets. Here is a list of benefits that the weight loss coffee Cappuccino MCT has for all of its consumers. The pure and healthy extracts present in the coffee helps stimulate and boost the body's energy but shedding extra weight. The coffee also helps you control the excessive hunger and lose the extra calories gained by overeating. One of the most surprising benefits of this coffee is that it controls the leptin receptors, which automatically send the signals to the brain telling it that you are now full. This prevents overeating and sudden cravings.